Who I'm gon' call when it's time to ride? Yeah. Who gon' pull up when it's time to slide?
Well, what's up guys? Good morning. Ito, masasabi ko napaka-exciting ng ride na to kasi kasama ko yung dalawa kong kapatid.
Wow!
Yun o. Malalakas mag-bike tong mga to. Kitang-kita sa katawan.
What? I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you.
Ang pagudla eh.
This pain you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. A few moments later.
Well, what's up guys? Nandito kami sa bukana ng Pakayat na sungay. Yan ang sungay.
Kaya doon pa yung sungay?
Oh! Mahirapan ka dyan pag umahon ka dyan.
Paano masabi? Walang problema sa ahon, basta may baon. What? Walang problema sa ahon, basta may baon. Walang problema sa ahon, basta may baon.
Well, pinapasyal ko sila dito. Well, nakapunta na sila dito pero hindi sila nakapag-stop over sa vlog. Kasama ako isang vlogger yun, yung kapatid ko yun. Kaya subscribe nyo, Saint Rocket Vlogs. Lalabas dito sa screen na to. Yan. Diyan na yung link. Kaya subscribe. Saint Rocket Vlogs. Favorite ko tandaan na to kasi yan o, paahon. Curve. Uphill curve. Ano? Diba? Babangking yung mga motor.
Like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so.
Nakatarado kasi yung pasukan doon. Nakatarado pa yun. Yun. Nakatarado pa yung gate doon. Kaya lahat ng taong gusto magpa-picture doon sa magandang view, nasa labas lang sila, yun o. Well, gumawa kang paraan dito ako.
Galing ha?
Makita ko dito. Oh, ayun yung view. Diba? Ganda ng taal. Taal. Well, what's up guys? Ganito magpadlock ng itong isang padlock ko pero tatlo yung papadlock natin guys.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Oh,
hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams.
O, di, kukunin ko yun. Diyan ka na lang.
Pag na yun. Pag na yun sa lang.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Okay guys, andito na kami. Insane, pagod. So si JB pagod din. Well, dito na kami. Ito na yung simbahan ba to?
Parang tanong ka ba yun?
Well, Sunday ngayon kaya ang daming tao.
Siguro yun gagawing kanan sa hindi natin.
Ano kuweba yan?
Di ba ang gagawing kanan din?
A few moments later.
So what's up guys? Nakarating na kami sa dapat namin puntahan. Nakagala na sila, pauwi na kami. Dahil nagutom na yung kasama ko. Pauwi na kami kaya kakain na muna kami. Ito na yung pinaka-almusal namin. Mami lang sa akin. Dito nag-rice. Ito nag-rice din. Kita naman sa tawan yung pagkain. Okay, what's up guys? Hanggang dito na lang yung vlog na to. Maraming salamat sa nanood and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Magsinukalanin. Yung sa kapalit ko to, Saint Rockets Vlog. Maraming salamat and thank you.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. Alright.